Hey guys, welcome to my channel. For those who don't know, my name is Tiffany Rose, and today we got some unboxing to do. So for those who don't know, these are the mystery boxes from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, their summer 2019 edition. So Jeffree Star did come out with 3 different types of boxes for the mystery box release. However, I only got the deluxe and the premium, so we will be unboxing those today, as well as at the end of my video I will be doing a giveaway so that you can pick which Jeffree Star product you want to win, so stay tuned. So the first box we're going to go ahead and unbox is the deluxe box. Lots of boxes. This is supposed to have 5 different products, and if you guys know what the mystery box is, we don't know what the products are. So let's find out. So the first product I see here is a pop socket. It has the Jeffree Star logo and it's in the color orange. So here we have a liquid frost liquid highlighter in the color Frozen Peach. And I'm not going to be swatching anything just because I want to be able to use these products as giveaways. So this is what it looks like. It's like a soft pinky peach color, and it has like hints of pink glitter. But it's super pretty. And as you know from Jeffree Star's videos, he loves himself some highlights, so it's gonna be bright. The second product here is a liquid lipstick in the shade Karma. Ooh, glitter packaging. And I believe this color is like a dirty greenish color. I don't know how else to describe it, like military green, dirty green. It's a dark, musty, swampy green. It's a cute green, don't get me wrong, but I don't know how to describe it. The next one is another liquid velour lipstick. Oh, this is the question mark shade. So according to Jeffree Star, he only made this shade for the mystery box and he will not be making it again. And it's a very soft pink. Super pretty. Oh, let me take it out so you can see what it looks like. It's not like a baby pink, but like a dull pink. The next product is a lip ammunition in the color Gargoyle. And from the top of it, it looks like it should be purple. It wants to come out. Ooh, this packaging is so cute. A glitter bullet casing. Let's see if we can see what the shade looks like. Yeah, you can't really tell. It's like a grayish purple. It's a really dark color. I can't even see the hints of purple. But if you know what the color Gargoyle is, if you've seen a swatch before, I've never seen the swatch before, so I don't know if it's more purple or more grayish. And that was all of the products. So the 5 products in the deluxe box was the pop sockets, the lip ammunition in the shade Gargoyle, the skin liquid frost in the shade Frozen Peach, the question mark shade in the liquid lipstick, and then Karma in a liquid lipstick. So here we have the premium box. It is supposed to have 10 different products, as well as I believe it should be having a shirt because they did ask for your shirt size when you ordered it. So let's see what we have in here. Ooh, we have lots of goodies. Is it gonna stay up? Maybe, maybe not. Okay. The first product we have is a lip scrub in the flavor Rainbow Sherbet. I don't know if I need to take this out because, I mean, you can't taste Rainbow Sherbet over a video, but you can't even see what it is. Okay, I'm not gonna open it just in case it has like a protective covering or anything, but this is what it looks like. I can only imagine how it tastes. Rainbow sherbets? Sounds delicious. We have another pop socket in the color orange. We have one of Jeffree Star's straws in the color pink. We have a Supreme Frost highlighting powder in the shade Money Honey, which I think is like a greenish gold. My nails are not going to be happy today. Here we go. So let's see. So to me, it kind of looks green, but in the camera, it looks gold. And I really want to swatch it to see what color it really is, but in case one of you guys pick it, I won't swatch it. But I really want to know what color it is. Whoever gets this, just let me know. I'm curious. Is it green? Is it gold? I'm sure it's going to be super bright anyways. The next thing we have here is a velour lip liner in the shade Leo. It wants to come out. There we go. This is what it looks like. And as you can see from the bottom, it should be a medium brown looking color. I actually don't own that many lip pencils, so I'm excited for that. I think I might keep this one for myself. I'm sorry, I don't own any brown lip pencils, and the packaging is super cute. The next thing we have here, so we have 4 different velour lipsticks. So one of these, this one is question mark. So I have 2 in here. Then we have Celebrity Skin. We'll take that one out. Come on. Here we go. So Celebrity Skin. It's a nude. Nudes are perfect for any occasion and for anyone and everyone. The next color we have is Poinsettia, which I'm guessing is like a reddish color. Ooh, it's a metallic red. Super pretty. And then we have Diva, which looks to be a pink, a bubblegum pink. This is such a cute pink color. Super cute. And last but not least, we have the shirts. Let's take it out, see what it looks like. Not on the lipsticks. Okay, so here's the front of it. There's the Jeffree Star logo. And then the back of it. Hi, how are ya? And it's in that same color as the Jawbreaker packaging. That super bright neon green. So there you have it, guys. These are all of the products for the Jeffree Star mystery box for deluxe and premium that I received. I'm not quite sure if there's other variations out there or not. There might be, I don't know. But as far as the giveaway rules go, they're super simple. All you have to do is subscribe, like this video, and then comment below which of these products you want to win. So you want a quick overview to see what prizes you guys want to choose from. We have the Diva shade. We have Celebrity Skin. We have Poinsettia. We have the Skin Frost highlighting powder in the color Money Honey. We have the Jeffree Star straw. I keep saying Jeffree straw. Jeffree Star straw in the color pink. We have the lip scrub in Rainbow Sherbet. We have the lip ammunition in Gargoyle. We have the liquid frost in Frozen Peach. We have the liquid lipstick in Karma. Another question mark shade. So like I said, all you have to do is subscribe, like this video, and comment below which of these prizes you want to win. There will be only 1 or 2 winners. I'm not quite sure yet, but I will let you know if you're the winner, as well as share the winner on my Instagram as well. So thank you so much for watching and have a great day, guys. Bye.